JustCall Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to JustCall are in the description below. In this video, I'll review JustCall, a cloud-based business phone system designed for sales and support teams looking to automate call workflows, integrate communication channels, and improve customer interactions. JustCall is ideal for businesses that rely on outbound and inbound calling, SMS automation, and CRM integration to streamline operations and enhance productivity. One of JustCall's standout features is its multi-platform compatibility, allowing teams to make and receive calls from desktop, mobile, and web applications. It provides virtual phone numbers in 70-plus countries, enabling global reach without requiring physical offices. The auto dialer and predictive dialer significantly boost outbound calling efficiency by automatically dialing numbers from a predefined list, reducing manual effort and wait times. For support teams, JustCall offers call routing, IVR, interactive voice response, call queues, and voicemail drop, ensuring that customers are directed to the right agents efficiently. The system supports call recording, call transcription, and analytics, allowing businesses to track performance, monitor conversations, and ensure compliance. Advanced features like AI-powered sentiment analysis help managers assess customer interactions in real time and optimize agent responses. One of JustCall's biggest strengths is its seamless CRM and help desk integrations. It connects with Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, Pipedrive, Freshdesk, and more, ensuring that all call logs, recordings, and notes are automatically synced within the existing workflow. SMS automation is another key feature, enabling automated follow-ups, appointment reminders, and bulk messaging to engage customers efficiently. Security and compliance are well covered, with TLS encryption, GDPR compliance, and HIPAA-ready features, making it a secure choice for businesses handling sensitive customer data. JustCall also supports team collaboration with features like shared inboxes, call whispering, and live call monitoring, allowing managers to guide agents in real time. Overall, JustCall is a powerful business automation tool for companies looking to streamline communication, enhance sales outreach, and improve customer support workflows. If you're interested, check out the links in the description for more details.